This is a private message to all Jamaicans. Even if you're not Jamaican, you can still listen, right? You can still watch and listen. By the way, welcome back to the channel. So, YouTube is a platform that allows content creators from anywhere in the world to create content and put it there, right? Yeah. Personally speaking, I love YouTube. I love that it has such a wide variety of content from all over the world. I love that people are interested in people's lives, so they're willing to watch almost anything. So YouTube is really filled with the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. I think Jamaicans can find a niche somewhere in there at YouTube. You know, as a teacher here in the UK, as soon as you say to the kids, you're Jamaican or you're from Jamaica, do you know Bob Marley? Or, you know Usain Bolt? Just questions like those. So I know that people of the world are interested in Jamaica and Jamaicans. And what do we have to offer? So much. So much. The music, the vibes, the food, the festivals. Just name it. People are interested in Jamaica. And I think it's time that Jamaican people capitalize on YouTube. You know, one time long ago, people used to resort to not so good habits because they said they were broke. Them broke, now have nothing to do. So the next best thing that came up was, in some cases, violence. Well, now there's YouTube, and there are people who are capitalizing on it and making a living. So why not for Jamaicans? Like I've said, I love the platform so much, and I watch people from all over. Some of my favorite YouTubers are Koreans. Some are from the US. Some are in the UK. But am I leaving out my Jamaican brothers and sisters? No way. No way. When I think that all the revenue that comes from YouTube can help to uplift my people, I am definitely making sure that I watch Jamaican YouTubers. For me, I want to see my people show real progress. And one of the ways they can do it is by becoming content creators. Now, like I've said, most people are interested in other people's lives. I want to know what Koreans are up to. I know Jamaica, yes, but especially for Jamaicans who live abroad, who don't get to go as often as possible, we live vicariously through the YouTubers out there who show us now what Jamaica is like. And I just love that. Going to the river when I was young was one of my favorite pastimes. I can't tell the last time I saw a river, except on YouTube from Jamaican YouTubers. So I really, really do love that. You know, the other day we collabed with a Jamaican YouTuber. I don't know if you saw that video. His name is J-Bud the Baker. Check out his channel. Guys, he went out in his community, in his garden, to dig piece of yam. The view just looked nice and I just felt so nostalgic, so homesick. And then we showed a little bit of the journey here in England, going to pick him up. Oh my, England days really dull, mostly cloudy. Look, you know, depressing. But oh, for Jamaican scenery, and you know, it was amazing. So check out Jamaican YouTubers. Give them the support, man. Vibe them up. And they'll do a lot with the money that they make. Yeah. You know the next thing to consider too? Not all Jamaican YouTubers live in Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican YouTuber. I don't live in Jamaica. But you bet some of the money go back to Jamaica. So it's all good. I know, for example, some very big YouTubers, Jamaican YouTubers now, who didn't want to start their channel primarily because they were not pleased with how their house looked, you know. Especially the husband, I remember saying, "No, sir, look how we kitchen." But no, that's what people want to see. They want to see you building up from down. That's what we want to see. I'm talking on behalf of everybody else. That's what we want to see, right? So don't think my humble home, nobody will want to see it. Yes, we want to see it. And when the money start coming in, we want to see what you're doing with the money as well. It's just human nature that humans like to know what other human beings are up to, how their life is going, how they're progressing, and so on. So if you have an idea and you think other people might be interested in that idea, start a YouTube channel. The main thing that you need to start, most people already have a mobile phone. That's the basic thing that you need to start. And once you start, don't stop. Don't stop. Be consistent. YouTube is a big platform, but it has enough space for all of us. Start with something. I'm watching a new YouTube channel from Jamaica now. I might not be quoting it right, but I'll put it on the screen. I think her name is Broke Baby Mama, something like that. A young girl who lives with her mom has to move back in her mom because she got herself she got pregnant and had to return home. But it's just humbling to see her beginnings, and I know that her channel will take off. So if you have an idea, start with it. Get your phone, film things, do it horizontally, so turn your phone crossway, and film your everyday if that's what you think you should do. Film cooking, film gardening. There's another one a couple that I watch who garden at home, some in containers, some on rockstone in a hilly rockstone area that she lives in, but they're doing well. And the next thing, people, don't be grudgeful. So watch people's progress, big them up, be happy for them, bless them up with your comments, support them any way you can. So if you can support by watching their videos, sharing the videos, giving a thumbs up to the video, sometimes that's all it requires, so that the algorithm can be in their favor and YouTube can publish their video out so others can see it. So please support your Jamaican YouTubers. Support the fact that revenue is coming into the country, is being used to uplift families in the country, and is going to do a better job for Jamaica and Jamaicans. Support Jamaican YouTubers. Of course, support all the others that you love as well, but support your fellow Jamaican YouTubers. That's my piece said. Peace.